How to Start a Family Bank, BlackDollar&Culture. What's up, family? Welcome back to BlackDollar&Culture. Today, we're breaking down exactly how to start your own family bank, a game-changing way to keep money circulating in your family, help each other out, and build wealth that lasts for generations. Grab a pen and paper because I'm walking you through each step in detail. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do and have the tools to get started. Let's jump in. Step 1, get the family together. The first move is simple but powerful. Call a family meeting. Bring together parents, siblings, cousins, or whoever you trust. Lay out the vision. We're talking about building generational wealth by pooling resources and supporting one another financially. The key here is to make sure everyone understands the goal and is ready to commit. You can use something like Google Docs or Notion to create a shared mission statement and keep track of notes. And if you're spread out across different cities, use Zoom or Google Meet for virtual gatherings. Step 2, decide on your structure. Next, figure out how you want to organize your family bank. You've got a few options. Form a legal LLC. This gives you protection and makes your bank official. Start with an informal agreement. Just make sure it's written down and signed. For even more long-term protection, think about setting up a trust with an estate attorney. Websites like Rocket Lawyer or LegalZoom make it easy to set up legal documents. And if you want to keep it in the community, you can use the National Bar Association's directory to find a Black estate planning attorney near you. Step 3, fund the family bank. Here's where the action starts. Everyone chips in a set amount regularly, maybe $50 or $100 a month, or whatever works for your group. Keep it consistent. Open a separate bank account for these funds, preferably at a credit union or community bank that supports Black-owned businesses. You can find local Black-owned credit unions online, and tools like Splitwise or even a simple Excel sheet can help you keep track of contributions. Step 4, set clear lending rules. This is where many family banks succeed or fail, the rules. Decide upfront who can borrow. What interest rate will you charge? Keep it reasonable. 2% to 5% is good. How will repayment work? Write everything down and make sure everyone signs off. Tools like DocuSign or HelloSign can help with digital agreements, and you can track loans and payments with QuickBooks or free options like Wave Accounting. Step 5, start lending money. Now you put the bank to work. Loans should go toward things that actually help build wealth or improve lives, starting a business, paying for school, buying a home, or paying off high-interest debt. And make sure loans are repaid on time with interest so the fund grows instead of shrinking. Step 6, use life insurance to protect and grow the bank. This is a strategy a lot of wealthy families use, but many people don't talk about it. Whole life insurance policies build something called cash value that you can borrow against, tax-free. That cash value becomes part of your family bank and grows over time. Companies like Mass Mutual, Northwestern Mutual, or Mutual Trust offer these policies, and websites like Bank on Yourself break down how the strategy works. But before you sign anything, talk to a licensed financial advisor so you understand exactly what you're getting into. Step 7, teach the next generation. If you want the family bank to last, you've got to pass down the knowledge. Bring younger family members into the process early. Teach them how money works, budgeting, investing, and building credit. Books like What Would the Rockefellers Do can open their minds, and kid-friendly finance apps like Greenlight or GoHenry make learning hands-on. There are also free resources like Khan Academy's personal finance section. And there you have it, your step-by-step guide to starting a family bank. Follow these steps, use the resources, and watch your family's money work for your family, not just for the outside world. If you want a free downloadable family bank starter kit to help you organize everything, drop a yes in the comments and I'll make sure you get it. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more Black Dollar and Culture tips. Remember, we build our own economy, we build our own legacy. Let's get this money right.